In this video, I'm going to show you how to make $500 a month selling AI receptionists to local small businesses. Even if you're not tech savvy, you're a complete beginner, or you've never even run a business before. This is a plug and play side hustle that anyone can start. I'll walk you through how it works, how to get clients, and how to set it up in less than 10 minutes. This is the same system that thousands of people, including myself, are using to ride the AI gold rush and build real monthly recurring income online. And real quick, I'm not here to sell you a course. I don't have a high ticket coaching program. I'm just someone who figured out a simple way to help local businesses and make real monthly income from home. So all I ask is if you find this video valuable, just hit the like button, share it with a friend, and comment free course below. I'll make sure to send you a private link to access my free course, all of my scripts, all of my templates, and a live bootcamp to help you get started and land your first paying client. All right, let's dive in. I always like to start these videos with a broad visual overview. It's always helped me as a beginner to kind of understand what this business is even like. So what we're gonna do is find local businesses. And again, I'm gonna walk you step by step on how to do that. We're gonna offer a simple AI automated system, which is gonna be an AI receptionist, which is gonna help local businesses book appointments, answer customers when they can't answer the phone, and follow up with them automatically. And then we're gonna charge them $300 to $500 per month for setting up that automated system within their business. So no, you're not offering them paid ads or doing search engine optimization or tech support. This is setting up a automated system that can work over and over and over again and help you earn reoccurring income. So why is this such a good opportunity? Well, believe it or not, 30 to 50% of calls go missed to local businesses, and you're going to help recover those leads that are falling through the cracks and recover that lost income for these local businesses. And again, we're talking HVAC, plumbers, electricians, contractors, chiropractors, any local business you can help solve this problem with. And these local businesses are gladly going to pay you because they know this is a real problem within their business. They're letting customers slip through the cracks, go to the next service provider on Google Maps if they're not answering their phone, and just saving them 1, 2, 3 customers per month is an easy ROI for them. And again, the best part is you get $300 to $500 per month per client, reoccurring, predictable income every single month. I've been making money online for over a decade, and this is by far the best side hustle and online business that I've come across. And again, this is definitely not a get rich quick scheme. We do not promote those on this channel. This is a legitimate business that you can start, get over the learning curve by taking our free course, get your first client, and stack it month after month after month and really grow your income. All right, so now I want to show you how an AI receptionist works. So we're going to use a white label software, which means you can brand it and make it however you want for your own business. You're going to click AI agents, voice AI, and over to agent list. So these are different agents that I've already set up. And again, I'm going to walk you step by step how easy it is to set this up, but I want to show you an example of what this looks like. All right, so this agent's name is Jessica. She works for Premier Electric, and we can call and test it with a phone call or a web call. I'm going to do a web call to show you how it's done.
Hey, you have reached Premier Electric. How can I help you today?
Hey, I'm looking to put an outlet in my closet so I can charge my vacuum.
Got it. I can help get that started for you. First, let me grab a few details so we can follow up with you. Can I get your name, please?
Yeah, it's Kellen, Kelan.
Thanks, Callan. Just to confirm, that's Kelan, right?
Yes.
Perfect, thanks. Could you share your email address so we can contact you?
Yeah, it's test@gmail.com.
Got it. So that's TEST@gmail.com, correct?
Yes.
Great, thanks. Could you also provide your address so we know where the work will be done?
Yeah, it's 22 Main Street.
Thanks. Just to confirm, that's 22 Main Street, right?
Yes.
Perfect. Lastly, I've noted that you're looking to install an outlet in your closet for charging your vacuum. Is there anything else you'd like us to know about this project?
Nope, that's it.
All right, Callan. I've got all the details. Our team will reach out to you soon to assist with installing that outlet. Thanks for choosing Premier Electric, and have a great day.
Thanks, you too. So as you can see, the voice AI receptionist took my call, took down my name, my email address, the problem that I have, and my regular address so that they know exactly what they need to do and what this customer is looking for. And on top of that, you can actually use a calendar to have them book on the calendar automatically. And the best part about this is you can customize the name, the voice, the workflow, the information they're collecting. It's all customizable. It's super beginner friendly, no coding needed. I'm the least tech savvy person there is, and if I can do it, you definitely can as well. All right, so the first step in this process is going to be finding these local businesses. And I found that Google Maps is by far the best place to look. So if you go into Google Maps and you just type in electrician, plumber, HVAC, contractor, whatever it is in your hometown or near me, you're going to find all of the businesses listed on Google Maps. The top ones are usually sponsored. I usually scroll right past those. And what I'm looking for to identify the businesses that actually need this service, ones that, are just getting started or they're established, but they don't have a website, they don't have any automation set up, is to look at their reviews. So you can tell if a business has less than 100 reviews, maybe they don't have a website, maybe their Google My Business profile is not filled out completely. That they need some help in the marketing and automation department. So I'm going to quickly go down and find right here, Smith Brothers. There's no website attached. So this is definitely one that I would want to write down or put in a Google Sheet to reach out to. Wagner Brothers is another one. Low amount of reviews compared to the rest of the competition. And I'll just keep going. Ference Electric, there's another one. Bolden Electric, RG Electric, and then Meiser Electric. So I just found 6 or 7 in a matter of 2 minutes using Google Maps. Another easy way to actually find these local businesses as well would be to go to your local Facebook groups. So it would be, your town, residents of the town, residents of the city, and just ask like, hey, looking for recommendations for electricians. Who do you recommend? People love to recommend their electricians that they use. And from there, you'll have a list of all of these recommendations and you can reach out via their Facebook group, message them, DM them, and I'll provide all the scripts that you need to reach out to these businesses via phone, text, and email. And the best part about this is this was only electricians. This is one service provider. You could do HVAC, roofers, contractors, plumbers, electricians, chiropractors, real estate agents. The list goes on and on. There's thousands and thousands of businesses in each local area that need your help, that need this system installed in their business to help them save time and make them more money. So once you have a good list of prospects and local businesses that could potentially be your customers, the next thing you want to do is reach out to them to see if they're interested, get them interested, and then you'll build out the AI receptionist after that. So you're not wasting time building it out if they don't really want it. So again, there's gonna be phone scripts that you can use, text messages, and email scripts. So I'll kind of go through these real quick. And again, I provide my scripts if you sign up for my free course in the description. Hey, Premier Electric, this is Kellen. I'm a local business owner who just launched something to help businesses like yours book 3 to 5 extra appointments weekly, even if you miss a call. It's using an AI receptionist. It takes less than 10 minutes to set up. I actually built a version for your industry and I wanted to show it to you for free to see if it helped. Call me back or shoot me a text if you're curious to see how it works. So again, you're hitting on the pain point that they're missing calls and missing customers, and you're trying to get them interested in the AI receptionist. Text message, hey, I just built an AI receptionist that books 3 to 5 extra appointments per week for your local business on autopilot. It's already working for others in my industry. I'll show you it for free. Want a quick demo? Then you can send a follow-up one day later. Again, these business owners are busy. So they're probably not going to answer on the first call. They're probably not going to answer your text on the first call. They're busy out working. They need this AI receptionist to really organize them, answer customers' calls, and respond to them. And then an email template would be quick question about missed calls. I noticed your business is doing electrical work locally. I just built a plug-and-play AI receptionist that helps you book more jobs even when you miss a call. Again, missing a call. Pain point. Problem, agitate, solution. That's marketing 101. So problem is you're missing calls. Agitate. Most small businesses miss 30 to 50 inbound calls. This tool picks them up, answers them, and books the appointments on autopilot. Solution, I set it up for free. Few local businesses just to get feedback. Would you be open to a quick 2-minute demo if this could help you? So again, quick, easy scripts, get them interested. And then we are going to go and actually build the AI receptionist now. So the next step is going to be going over to this simple software that you can use to basically onboard them and get the AI receptionist set up. It's very simple and easy to use. They have a launchpad here that you can connect all of their Google My Business profiles, their Facebook account, all that stuff. But for this video, we're going to go over to AI Agent. And you'll see you can start a voice AI agent and a conversation AI. The voice is actually calling the AI receptionist and booking appointments. The conversation is going to be text messages, SMS messages, follow-up. They're one and the same, really. One is voice, one is text. So to create a new one, you're literally just going to click Create a New AI Bot. You can browse the marketplace. So there's a whole marketplace of different bots that you can use. They have reviews and how many people are using that bot. So it's very simple and easy to understand. What we're going to do is create a new agent from scratch. And again, this is super easy. No tech skills or coding needed. So agent name is going to be Eric for the electrician, and it's going to be Premier Electric, and it's English. So we can go ahead and pick a different name. We want this to be a male. Let's try Christopher real quick.
Chris McGuire here from Chicago.
Not bad. From Chicago. So you can kind of pick, if they have a southern
This
accent.
voice model is perfect for capturing the
Peter,
Jackson not only
Russell, James.
The beginning of knowledge is
All right, I'm going to go with...
Donovan's deep voice is the sound of articulate authority, but he
I'm going to go with Christopher, friendly guy next door.
Chris McGuire here from Chicago.
Perfect. All right, so now the initial agent's name is going to be, hey, you've reached Premier Electric. So we have the name, we have the voice. Now we're going to actually create the goal that we want the agent to do. So we want the agent to collect the name, email address, physical address, and the customer's issue. So if someone's calling about a new circuit breaker that they need installed, or their furnace stopped working, or they have a leak in their bathroom, you're going to collect all this information so that the business owner gets a ping on his phone, a text message on his phone that says, hey, this customer just reached out. You got a new lead, follow up with them. And that way they can follow up immediately and get that customer. So a knowledge base, you can go through and create a new knowledge base here. And this is going to be how it understands the business. So the easiest thing is to really just create a new one, and we can just do Premier Electric and create. And the easiest thing to do is to add a source. If they have a website, you can just put their website in here. If they have FAQs on their website, you can do file uploads. If they have any PDFs that talk about their website, their Google My Business profile, feed this as much information as possible. So once you set up the knowledge base, you're going to be able to just click it from the drop-down menu. And that's going to have all of their information, their hours, their services, pricing, their schedule, all of that stuff based on your knowledge base. So again, you want to select all these. And if you want, you can have an email sent after a call is completed to the admins on the account. So that'd be the business owner. So they're notified and they can follow up immediately again. So again, you can test out your agent, either a phone call right directly to your phone or a web call right on your computer. And it'll actually give you the call history. So you can look at the transcripts, make sure that it's answering the questions correctly. It's communicating professionally to the customers, and it's working the way it should. The next setting here is going to be phone availability. So we can enable AI agent as a backup to the phone number, meaning if the business owner cannot pick up the phone, they're installing a new furnace, they're doing electrical work, it's going to automatically kick over to the AI receptionist. So they're the primary able to pick up. If they can't, maybe it's the weekend, they're with their family, it's going to go to the AI receptionist. You can also set working hours for the agent. They can work 24/7 or just on the weekends, whatever you want to do there. And then one thing that people really get concerned about is these business owners already have a number. They have it established. It's on the side of their truck. It's on Google My Business profile. They don't want to get a new number. That's not a problem. You basically are going to buy them a new number here, and it costs about $1.15, I think. And once you pick up the number, you're going to be able to forward it from their previous number, the original number, to their cell phone, and you're going to be able to forward it over to the new number. So it's streamlined, there's no issues, and it's super simple and easy for them to implement into their business. And then you can go back and look at the inbound and outbound calls, their total calls, distribution. You can look at the transcripts, like I said, and then again, you're off to the races. It's done. You have an automated system, an AI receptionist set up for the business owner that they can use 24/7 to answer all of their calls, answer their missed calls, get the customer's information so that it comes into contacts here and it goes into the conversation tab so that they have all of their customers in one unified inbox, whether it's text message, email, phone number, Facebook message. It's all in one inbox on their phone. They're using it every day, and it's super sticky. It's an amazing software, and it's an amazing system to set up to really help these local businesses, again, save time and make more money by having an AI receptionist built into their business. And one extra thing I forgot to mention, when I'm on a call with a potential customer or I'm going back and forth with email, I can send them a screenshot, but this is a lead loss calculator. So this is sharing how much they're actually losing each month. This is a huge eye opener for them to see, oh my gosh, I'm losing $5,000 a month by not answering my phone, by missing calls, by having them go to the next person in Google. I don't know about you, but if I'm calling a local service provider, whether it's driveway sealing, HVAC company, if they don't pick up the first time, I'm hanging up and they just lost my business for that issue. So this is so important to follow up immediately and have someone answer the phone. So say the average lifetime value of a customer is $1,000, and let's say we miss, probably 5 calls a week. So 20 calls a month. And let's say our close rate's about 25%. So this business alone is, and this is very conservative, is losing out on $5,000 per month. And this fee's gone up over time. I started at $197 a month, and I've slowly increased it over time based on what I'm providing and the value I'm providing. So anyways, $5,000 they're missing per month by not answering their phone calls. So this is a simple and easy to use calculator that you can also use on savvysystems.ai. So as you can tell, it's super simple to set up and implement into these businesses. And again, once you set up this AI receptionist one time, you're going to earn this recurring income month after month. And again, this is just one service to get your foot in the door. You can obviously upsell over time and increase your monthly rate. But say you're charging $497 a month and you get 5 customers, that's going to be $2,500 per month that you could potentially earn. Reoccurring monthly income. That means that you do the work one time and then you're getting paid month after month after month. And again, I've been making money online and running my online business for over a decade. I quit my job as a jail deputy 10 years ago. I've never come across such a good opportunity like this that has that monthly recurring income that really stacks on top of each other, and it's beginner friendly. You don't need tech skills, you don't need experience, and you can get started today. I really hope this video was valuable and you're excited and motivated about this opportunity. If you are, go ahead and hit the like button, share with a friend, and drop free course below in the comments. I'll send you my free course with all of my scripts, plug and play templates, and a 30-day free trial to the software that I use. And if you want to go deeper, check out this next video where I show the fastest and easiest way to land your first high-paying client. I'll see you over there. Peace.